Your engine doesn't fail suddenly, it slowly dies every day because of the wrong oil. Stay till the end. Number 1 oil can literally double your engine life. Social engagement. Comment your car model, Corolla, Civic, BMW, anything. I'll reply with the best oil choice for you. Why synthetic oil wins? Synthetic oil resists heat breakdown, flows faster in cold starts, and keeps engine parts clean. Mineral oil simply can't. Top 10 countdown, with retention boosters, 111 to 145, number 10 Shell Helix Ultra, best for daily city driving, benefit, sludge control and amp, smooth running, on screen, good balance of price plus performance. Number 9 Total Quartz 9000, best for cold weather start, benefit, faster lubrication in morning. Number 8 Castrol EDGE, feature, titanium molecules, benefit, reduces metal friction under load. Number 7 Liqui Moly Synthoil, best for German and amp, performance cars, benefit, strong cleaning agents. Number 6 Motul 8100 X-cess, best for turbocharged engines, benefit, high RPM stability. Number 5 Valvoline Advance FS, benefit, sludge protection and amp, smoother gear shifts 416 to 445. Number 4 Pennzoil Platinum Tech, natural gas base oil, benefit, ultra pure oil equals cleaner pistons. Number 3 Amsoil Signature Series, best for long drain interval users, benefit, change oil less, protection more. Number 2 Mobil 1 Advance FS, OEM trusted brand, benefit, proven worldwide engine protection crown. Number 1 Royal Purple, feature, Synerleg additive tech, benefit, maximum wear protection, on screen, if your engine could choose, it would choose this. SMART buying guide, never buy oil, just buy brand. Check your manual, 0W20 for modern cars, 5W30 for most sedans, 10W40 for old engines. Wrong viscosity equals high fuel burn plus engine wear. Your engine works for you every day, protect it. Like, subscribe, and share with every car lover you know.